In a previous video, we've created this January cohort workflow here, and we're looking at the different types of interaction that we can add to this workflow. In this video, we're going to look at ways we can enroll and unenroll learners of this group from and to courses. So if we click on the Add Interaction option here, we've got the option to enroll group onto a course or unenroll group from a course. So if you have several courses on your platform and you don't want to give all the members of the group access to them at the same time, what you might want to say is, at a specific time, I want to enroll this group, which is the group we're working on this workflow, January cohort, onto a different course. So I'll choose Add Interaction, enroll group onto a course, and we'll say at the end of April at 12 o'clock, I want to enroll them onto a different course. So control your brain with pranayama, and we'll click Update. And what that would mean is that when it gets to the 30th of April, anyone who's in this group would be enrolled onto this other course. And you would have the option to create a workflow for that course as well. And you could create a chain of courses and they go through them and get enrolled onto them at certain times. The other option is to unenroll the group from a course. So you might have an option where at the end of a certain time, we're managing here the January cohort's access to the Healthy Eating for a Healthy Life course. You may say that once they get to the end of the course, they should be unenrolled from this Healthy Eating for a Healthy Life course because they no longer need access. So maybe at some point way in the future, we will unenroll them automatically from this. And we do this by choosing the Unenroll Group from a Course option here. We set a date and time. So if you have a workflow that's set on date and time, you would set a specific date and time for this. So we'll say June the 30th at midnight. And if you had the workflow set to X days from course start, this would be a numerical number of days after a certain time that you would choose here. So you'd say something like 60 days from the course start rather than a specific date. And we choose the course we want to unenroll them from. So I said there I was going to unenroll them from this Healthy Eating for a Healthy Life course. Let's click Update now. And we've added a new option here called Unenroll Group from a Course. And we can see that on the 30th of June 2022, this group, January cohort, will be unenrolled from the Healthy Eating for a Healthy Life course. So that's how we manage groups' access to courses via the plugin. We can enroll and unenroll them from courses.